nacija.
There are evil people with evil intent. They are not okay and they are not cool. If it's hard when someone's bullying you, just remember that good friend never leaves you. With your good deeds you can brag, because you know that good can bumps in you. Good sometimes will come in handy to make grit your teeth, and don't let anyone hurt you, because you're stronger and the bully is evil. Do something, don't hide in the corners, don't just look, go there and help because you are good. Good words can sometimes handy to make one pass faster. With your teeth and don't let anyone hurt you, cause you are stronger and bully is weaker. You have to know that you are not an only one, so to say your problem is not bad. Maybe you can help someone without you even know. Do something, don't hide in the corners, don't just look to go there and go sleep because you are good. Fight for the people who need support, cause you are very important for them. Fight for people who need support, cause you are very important for them.